Again, in the news, yung flood control projects. And one of those affected by the news on flood control is our very own Senate President. Kasi dito, inamin niya na doon sa mga campaign contributors niya ay isa yung contractor na pinangalanan ni PBBM as one of the 15 na medyo maraming projects under the flood control program. Of course, we are concerned with the law, Omnibus Election Law, as well as the COMELEC resolutions 10772 noong 2022 at 11109 noong 2025. Ano nga ba ang contribution? It is a cash or in-kind donation for the benefit of a candidate, political party, or campaign committee. It may include money, material, services without compensation for purposes of promoting a candidate or political cause. Ang volunteer hindi yan political contribution. No? They are not paid. Ano yung mga prohibited contributions? The law is very explicit that contractors who have government projects are expressly prohibited to give campaign contributions to candidates. Hindi lang naman niya sinabing to senators. Actually, up to a barangay captain, hindi pwedeng magbigay ang mga contractors. May difference ba between the contractor and the owner? Kasi baka sabihin ng owner, hindi, personal capacity ko yan, not in the name of my construction firm. Dito tinatawag yung piercing the veil of corporate fiction. Iisa yung personality ng owner at nung corporation. And again, may mga prohibitions na applying to others, foreigners, public utility corporations, educational institutions, other prohibited entities under special laws, yung mga broadcast and media companies, hindi pwedeng mag-donate doon sa contribution. And merong criminal liability for contributions. Merong administrative sanctions, disqualification from office. Candidates who accept prohibited contributions may face disqualification or removal from office. Pwede rin siyang ma-fine at ang pinakamahirap na penalty is permanent disqualification or perpetual disqualification from holding public office. Ang problema talaga dito ni SP, inamin niya in broadcast, in print, in lahat na siya ay tumanggap. No, you do not have to prove it anymore because presumably he is a lawyer, he knew what he was stating.